First, let us power on the camera. We need to hold the power button for 3 seconds and then release it. You see the LED ring status LED is flashing. And when it becomes a solid green, it means that it is now ready in standby mode. We hold this button again for 3 seconds to power off it. You have to take care of 2 points before power on the camera. First, make sure the 3 sliders are in the off state. So let's check if we put the slider in the on state and try to power on it. It's flashing red lights, so it means there is an error. We have to adjust. Okay, put the button to the off state, then it comes back to the standby mode. The second one is the TF card slot. You have to take very good care of it. Make sure there is a TF card inside. Also, you need to make sure that it is formatted with FAT42. Let's check if we don't put a TF card. It's also showing the error indications, right? So that's part of it. Okay, now we can power on it. Now the camera is in standby mode. How to start video recording? It is easy. In the standby mode, you just put up the video recording slider to the on state, and the camera will start video recording. Flashing green line means that it is recording video now. If we put it down, okay, it goes back to standby mode. It's the same. If you want to start the audio recording, we just put the audio recording slider to the on stage and you start recording the audio. It's now recording audios. So, and we put it to the off stage. After recording audio, we should reboot the camera. Now it's ready. Also, if we want to use the motion detection function, we just push this slider to on, and the camera will start recording automatically once it detects any movement. The motion detection function is very sensitive, so if there is any movement, it can detect very easy. Okay, let's turn it off. How to take photo? We need to press twice the power button to take a photo. You see the green light flash. It means that you have taken a photo successfully. How to check the remaining battery? Press the battery information button. You see the remaining battery information here. This means there is 75% of remaining battery still there. So if we want to charge the body camera, we use the Type-C USB cable and connect it with a 5-volt charger, and you can start to charge the body camera. In the package, we don't put up an adapter here to reduce the electronic waste. Also, we can change the TF card by ourselves. This is the TF card slot. We use our fingernail to take it out. Remember that we insert the TF card in this direction to make sure it works. Yeah, you have to reboot the camera. We have some very useful accessories in the package. For example, this is the desk tripod. You can use it to put a body camera on a desk and adjust any directions. so that you can put it to fill a meeting or an activity easily. And this is the bicycle mount. You can easily install it on a bicycle. Put this on the front of the bicycle and then rock the screw. You'll be able to on the bicycle mount on the camera. And this is the lanyard loop. This short lanyard loop, you can hang it on your hand. You can also buy a longer lanyard loop. Make sure that you can use it on your neck. There is a 5-volt output port on the top. If your phone is running out of battery, you can use this to charge your phone, which means it is working as a portable charger also.